Hi everyone, it's me Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about how to use the scientific calculator for the number conversion. Here I will change the decimal number to the binary number and vice versa. And similarly decimal to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to decimal, binary to hexadecimal and so on. Please watch this video till the end so that you will be very clear about how to use the calculator for number conversion. And if you don't subscribe my channel yet, please make sure to subscribe it and press the bell icon for instant notification of all the uploaded videos from this channel. Without wasting any further time, let's go ahead. Here, this is a scientific calculator FX991ES, and in this calculator I will show you how to convert the number from one number system to another number system. Okay, first of all, let's have a look on the display region of this calculator. Here in this display region we can see the D means this calculator is now working in the degree mode, and that does not matter while converting the number from one system to another system. That does not matter. Okay, so the very first step while converting the number from one system to another system is that we have to change the mode. Go to the mode button, and here in the number 4 base n we can change the number into the any base. Okay, let me just take the number 4 here, 4, and our calculator is now working in the decimal format. Okay, and let me take one decimal number for the example. Okay, let me take the decimal number 31 and press the equals to button, and here DC 31, this means decimal 31 is now stored in this calculator. Let's change this value into the corresponding hexadecimal, and here in the calculator button we can see HEX button here. HEX, this means hexadecimal button, and just by pressing this HEX button we can easily convert this decimal 31 to the equivalent hexadecimal. Okay, just pressing this button. Okay, here we can see that the number 31 which was in the decimal format is now converted into the hexadecimal on F, and the F is equivalent to the decimal 15. For 15, for decimal 15 we have to use the alphabet F, capital F. Okay, let me do the vice versa things here. Let me just use the reverse process, and let me just take the hexadecimal 1F, and if you press the F, the alphabet F, by just pressing alpha and then F, then that value will not be stored here. Okay, let me just try it. Just by pressing equals to, here we can see that by pressing the equals to, the value on F is not stored here. So for that we have to just press 1, and for F we have to just use the shift and then F, 1F, and then hit the equals to button, and then the value 1F will be stored here. And now let's change this 1F hexadecimal value into the equivalent decimal value just by pressing the decimal button here. Okay, here 1F, the hexadecimal 1F is equivalent to the decimal 31, and like this we can change the numbers from any number system to the required number system. Okay, let me take the binary. BIN means binary. Let me take one binary number 1001. Please remember that binary numbers always contains only two digits, 0 and 1. So 100 number 1. Let me just by press equals to button, and here the binary 1001 is stored here. Let me just convert this number to the equivalent decimal number just by pressing the DC here. 1001, the binary 1001 is equivalent to the decimal 9. Okay, and let me just take one number. Okay, let me just take the decimal 44, and let's change this decimal 44 into the octal number, equivalent octal number, just by pressing OCT button here, OCT button, and the decimal 44 is equivalent to the octal 54. In octal number system it includes the numbers from 0 to 7. Okay, like this we can change the numbers from any number system to another number system. Let me do the last example. Okay, let me take the octal number 56 and then press the equals to button. Here the octal 56 is stored. Octal 56, okay, not 56, 56. Octal 56 is now stored. Let me just change this number into the equivalent binary, okay, just by pressing the bin button. Okay, octal 56 is equivalent to the binary 101110. Okay, this is the method of changing the number from any number system to the required number system. But one thing to be remembered, this calculator does not work for the decimal numbers. That means if we take the numbers, let me just go to the decimal. If we take the numbers like 10 10 point number, it does not work for the point number 10.5. It does not work here. The point is not here entered in the display. Here we can see that. So this method does not work for the decimal numbers to convert the required number system. It only works for the whole numbers. Okay, this is the demerits of this calculator. Here we have just converted the numbers from one number system to the next number system just by using this scientific calculator. And here we can see a table. This is the equivalent table of decimal and the hexadecimal. Here the alphabet A, hexadecimal alphabet A is just for the decimal 10. Alphabet B is just for the decimal 11 and so on. In hexadecimal, the 2 digits number are not generally written, so we have to use the alphabets instead of the 2 digits number. 1010 is written by just alphabet A. 11 is just written by the alphabet B and so on in the hexadecimal number system. Okay, this is a little bit about the number system conversion. Here in our next video we will discuss more about such types of the topic. So please keep watching, keep loving this channel, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. This much for today. Thank you all of you.